After our transverse section is ready, we're going to go for our door table. To do that, we'll go to the View tab, and you see Schedules, and we'll click here, and then here it asks us for the filter list. We just want the architecture part, and then we'll select the doors. So this is the category that will be in our table. Okay, so you can select door schedule or door table, it's up to you. Phase, we will choose new construction. Okay, so here in our homework we have a few details of what we should include in our table. So door type, count, height, and width. I'll choose door type. Actually, our door type's not door type here in Revit, it's type mark. Type mark and count and height, and width. Okay, and you will realize later on that the order matters here, because each one of these will be one column. So for now, let's press OK and see how our table looks like. So we see that we see a lot of lines, but we actually want to group the same door type, so we have multiple counts assigned to just one door type. So we have a few options here on our left on the properties board. So we can choose edit either one of these work, because each one of these is one tab up here. Okay, so we already went through this part. If we go to filter, we can filter by the type mark. Okay, actually it's sorting. Sort by type mark. Let's go back to none here. Okay. Okay, now it's sorted by type mark, but it's not grouped. So we need to go back here and uncheck this option here. Itemize every instance. Okay, and then we have a few lines that we don't want here. So we just want from D1 to D5. So we can go to formatting. Sorry, it's actually filter and type mark. So we just want to show up on our table something, the options that contain the letter D. Okay, I'll press OK, and here it is. So this is actually our door type. Okay, and this is how we create our door table. There's just one thing missing: the total number of doors we have here. Okay, so I'll go to, and don't worry about the count here. If my project is 30, if you have 15, it's okay. So all we need is all I want for this homework is the door table with the correct columns up here and the total amount here. Basically this setup we have here, but the numbers in here don't really matter. These numbers in these lines, these numbers in the column count, height, and width don't matter for this homework. Just the column of the door type. We only want from D1 to D5. Okay, so let's go back to, let's see which tab it should be. Formatting, appearance, filter. So it should be here. Grand totals. Okay, total, count, and totals, and you can select the total number of doors, for example. Okay. D1 to D5. Okay, and here is our door table.